Hello, my name is Joe DeCold, and today I'm going to be highlighting the strong and weak points of Google's Google Slides presentation software creation. In comparison to other softwares, this has a lot in common. You have your toolbar in this top left that has drop downs of all the different menus for common tasks to complex tasks. It does a great job of creating hierarchy between a finite and broad idea. In addition to that, it also does a great job at having these intuitive icons from those common tasks. One of the things you're going to be doing most often in creating a slide is inserting text boxes and photos. Those are kind of the bread and butter of a lot of presentations. And Google Slides has them right here with intuitive icons where you don't actually have to go to the drop down to find them. They're available in both locations, but it does give you other options if you want to be quicker and have it more intuitive. This toolbar and these shortcuts are great because they have commonalities with other softwares and they allow the user to instinctively know where these tools are going to be. However, when you get to actually using the tools, there are a couple of issues. Primarily, when I go to insert a photo here on this slide, you can see that even though I inserted the photo and filled out the slide, Google Slides doesn't assume that I want to make this photo the focus of the slide. It still has this text box in the background that is kind of overcrowding or mingling with the photo and creating a distraction for the viewer. If I were to make this the way I wanted to, I would have to go and delete that text box manually, size the photo, or size another text box accordingly. It doesn't see the text box and the photo as separate entities. As I can show here, if I were to move this over the text box, it would not isolate the two, it would simply mingle them. And the actual times you're going to be wanting that to happen are very rare and very unlikely. It would be much better, in my opinion, and a lot of software has already done this, to have it present better intuition for the designer's intentions. It would be better if this software could automatically assume that I don't want my photos and text boxes to be mingling, and when I make a photo as large as the slide, to assume that I want it to be the focus and automatically integrate it into that slide. Overall, this is a very comparable software to PowerPoint competitors. It has unique weaknesses like its text box and photo integration, but it also excels in its shareability and its accessibility. You can give anybody access to your slideshow with sharing a simple link. You don't have to send a large file. And you additionally have access to a variety of sources aside from what's on your computer. I can add photos and URLs from anywhere on the websites and anywhere on the web to my presentations with the click of a button. That's all I have. Thank you.